Wow! Hello! Wow, Mrs. F is doing a beauty video. Apocalypse is happening. Hi everybody, this is Charlotte, your barely recovering shopaholic. In today's chit chat, get ready with me about the products that I've used the most in the year 2019. We are going to do this Vogue style, you know, when they're getting ready in a gorgeous bathroom. And I'm actually using pure daylight. I have no beauty lights right now, which is giving me a little anxiety, but we're gonna roll with it. So I'm going to be showing you the products that I've been using the most in 2019 and the kind of look that I would do when I'm about to go to client meetings, when I'm going to do production meetings. It's not entirely no makeup look. There is a little bit of makeup. And what I would imagine would be my work makeup if I had the typical work. So this might be a little helpful to all of you corporate gals out there. Let's start with prepping the face, and this is my most used one for the year. This is the Caris Madecasoside Cream. Ang hirap-hirap sabihin niya, Madecasoside Sika Cream. Ang haba ng pangalan, so they call this Madeca Cream for short. And this is the one that a few of the beauty vloggers have made famous. And for a good reason. This is a great cream because it actually provides more moisture than my last one, which was the New Skin 2020 na. Nauutal ka pa rin, Carlota. So this one has a little bit more of a creamy, sticky texture, which to all of us who are adulting, maturing, would really appreciate. But to all of you who have oily skins, maybe this might not be for you. But really, I have oily skin. But also, I need to combat aging, so there's the struggle. Next up is definitely a cushion, and this one is my Star Secret Soul. Come on, Aura. I think they call it the Star Aura cushion on Caris. Again, Caris, where this came from. So better download that app. And I love this. I think it matches my skin perfectly. I've been using BB creams, I've been using CC creams, but the cushion formula is really different. It provides better coverage because I have lots of freckles. Can you see? Oh, well, now you can't see anymore because I've covered it up already. May lahi kami ng freckles, which others appreciate, kaya nga they put it on their makeup. But I've seen it on mature skin, on my mother, and it looks like a map of the world, so no thank you. It really provides better coverage from the normal creams that pumps out from the bottle. I don't understand it. I don't know how that's possible. Maybe it's because you have to press it in. I don't know. After we've laid down our base, I will contour my face slightly, and this is just... Oh, I'm so proud that this is a local product. This is the BLK Amber Contour Cream, and I found out about this from M.I.A. Clothes. Thank you very much for that very accurate review. I love it. 1, 2, and then 1 over here. And then I blend it with my beauty sponge. Here you go. And it just provides the most realistic, creamy, unrecognizably fake. And I know this is also applicable for morena skin because M.I.A. Clothes was the one who reviewed it, and she's supposed to have morena skin. So see, it just disappears on your skin. Who needs KKW when you have BLK? Holy grail. Not sponsored. I wish it was. The next up is eyebrows, and the way that I love doing them the past few months is the Instagram girl kind of way. Don't hate me, I love that big, bushy, fluffy, higad eyebrows. And the way that I do it is through my Benefit Feathered and Full Brows. And that is gonna be on the next video. Or no, should I just do it here? No, let's just do it here. Let's just do it here. I've decided it's gonna be in one video. Because it's a get ready with me, okay? So let's do it. Feathered and Full Brows. I know, this is luxury makeup. Alright, well, luxury already for my taste and for my standards because I love drugstore and Benefit is not drugstore. But they had a Lazada sale. Last 11/11. It's 50% off. It was 1,000 pesos, I think. I paid for it. And it comes with a full... No contents inside. Because I put them here. Okay, so it comes with like a... what do you call this? A guide. So it comes with a template ba yan? Oh, what's the word? Crickets. Stencil? Anyway, it comes with a stencil, which of course I don't use, but I think will be very helpful for pro makeup artists. Because for pro makeup artists, they are faced with lots of unidentified freaky objects. It comes with a full-sized brow pencil. It comes with a mini-sized 24-hour brow setter, which is the main feature of this set. And it comes with a gimme brow. I will show you my everyday higad eyebrows. Higad caterpillar, you know? Higad eyebrows when you just didn't transform into a butterfly. When you remained a caterpillar. There's nothing wrong with that. It's equally beautiful. First of all, barely use this one. I prefer the Everbilena X Chris collaboration. Come on, focus on me. There you go. Whew, the robe is so hot. Tis ganda. Fluffy ba naman? Let's zoom you in. It's easier to do the fluffy brows if you already have hair. So I had to grow my eyebrows for 4 months. I didn't touch them. It was the worst 4 months of my life. But anyway, as anything in life, no pain, no gain. Good things come to those who wait. So now I have hair on my brows. And if you've been a long-time viewer of my channel, you would know that my tip for you is to shave your eyebrows. Don't pluck it. Just have it threaded or plucked in a salon to shape it. And then just follow it with an eyebrow razor as maintenance. Because let me tell you, as you get older, they just abandon you. They say to themselves, how long have you tried to kill me? If you keep uprooting them all your life, then they will abandon you when you need them the most. That is the great karma of life. So I outline my eyebrow on top, on the middle, top to the tail. So I know where to land. I should probably shave this because let me just shave that part. And then I will outline the bottom, the sparseness, cover that sparseness. Yes. And then the hotel is already calling me to check out, so I'm going to rush this. That's Mr. F.
Hi.
Mr. F. Shh.
Okay,
Shh.
thank you.
And then in the lightest way you could possibly do, when you reach the front of your eyebrows, super, super light, light as a feather. So we are joining 2 eyebrow trends in one, gradient and fluffy. So once again, outline from the top, outline the bottom, to the tail. So fill in the bald spots. And then, as you approach the front, very, 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 very light strokes. To give it a little bit more emphasis, I even use the brown mascara that is connected and attached to this product. So I will let it dry because the final step is the 24-hour brow setter. This is the one that will really make it stand up. I've tried everything, guys. I've tried the glycerin-based soap to make it stand up. I've tried aloe vera gel. I've tried aloe vera mask. It worked better than the aloe vera gel. But they only last for like 2 hours. But this one sets it in stone. Okay, we can now proceed with powder. And my 2 favorite ones are this M.I.A Light Plus Mineralized Skin Finish Natural and this Mineral Fusion Mineral Makeup from Healthy Options in Warm 1. The M.I.A Mineralized Skin Finish is like hourglass without the shine or the shimmer. And this one is for the heavier duty days. So I'll use the Mineral Fusion for today. And so I powder the nose most especially and the forehead and of course the cheeks. And then I proceed with blush, and this is the Mineral Fusion Blush in Creation, and this is also from Healthy Options, again mineral makeup. And my second favorite is this butter blush from Physicians Formula called Vintage Rouge. I've cracked it twice, I have resurrected it twice, and it is in a very critical condition. It's just the most beautiful muted old rose color. It's like mauve blush. Sometimes I like the Korean kind of blush, the orange, the peach corals, the pinks. But really for everyday, I prefer a muted color like this. This is absolutely my favorite for the year. See how beautiful that is. It's just like so natural. Oh. Next, I just add a little powder contour to my nose by using my Benefit Hoola bronzer, which is absolute heaven in terms of shade. Look at this. If my butter blush is makeup ICU, this is definitely makeup morgue. Yes, you can't even see it anymore. Yes, it's in bits and pieces. This is the most perfect shade for contour in my opinion for my kind of skin type, which is like MAC NC25, as well as the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. But that one, like I said, gives me tiggidigs. When I do my stage makeup, I make it closer. I make the 2 lines closer, but for natural looks, I just follow my nose line. Just give it a little emphasis. Next is the Glow Up, literally highlighter. And my absolute favorite are the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighters. This one is in Bloom Time, but I also love Precious Petals, which is like a peachy golden hue. This is more like something that will blend in your blush. But there's a new launch that caught my eye this year, and this is the Everbilena Advanced Glow Out highlighter in Spotlight. Yes, I have one of their first shades, which is Strobe, which is a little bit yellow golden. This is a little bit more rosy, rose gold. So I really like the tone of this one also. It's like natural. So there you go, look at that. Isn't that pretty? I don't have beauty lights, huh? This is purely daylight. Check that out. That's local makeup for you. Everbilena, you knock this out. Everbilena, you glow, girl. The eyes, I only do one color eyeshadow. I know, if you see my IG, I normally use like 10 shades. But if I want to look normal and not like a mermaid and a unicorn, then it's only a ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. The one that I'm loving right now is called Brady, which is like a mauvey brownie pink, nude pink. It's just beautiful. ColourPop Super Shock Shadows really have that unique quality of blending and melting into the skin. I concentrate the pigment on the bottom and then blend it up and out. Ay! And then Korean style, we put that also underneath our lash line. Just blend it out. There you go. Nothing complicated about it. Just a smoky brownie pink. One shade. Then I use the Essence Volume Stylist Mascara. This is only $349, and I think it works just as well as the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, which is $5.99. So I've decided to stick to this. My most used lipsticks are definitely my Sunny's Face lipsticks. This is in Vacay and in Milkshake, and I just got a new one, which is Girl Crush, which I'm also loving. The shades are so on trend. They're like the terracottas, the bricks, the oranges. You really got it right, Sunny's Face, not sponsored. I wish it was. I'm a lipstick addict. Some of you who follow me on Instagram would know that. And I plan to do a lipstick series. What do you think about that? So there you go. That's Milkshake on. It's like a terracotta orangey rose. Diba? Kinuha na niya lahat. And here is the last step, the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. So what I do is I take the product and then at the very front, I flatten the front. Yeah, there you go. Flatten it. Hold it for a few seconds. Make sure that it's in the shape or in the style that you want. And then you brush the others up. Like that. And there will be some product transfers. That's why you must be ready with your cotton swab to clean it up after. Brush it up with your spoolie. And they really set. I haven't found anything cheaper. Anybody out there with a cheaper solution than this? Let me know. And then I clean up with a little CC cushion. Voila! Bushy. There you go, everybody. This is my favorite makeup look to do for the year 2019, as well as my favorite and most used makeup products, most loved products as well. Of course, as we approach the new year, there are going to be more launches. There are going to be new products, hopefully upgraded, improved, new formulas. It'll make our beauty routines easier and more affordable. I hope you enjoyed this beauty video comeback. Let me know in the comment section down below. I've missed you so much, my bombshells. I'm so sorry that I have been absent for the past 2 months. Life of an artist in November and December is like blessed chaos. Please don't ever feel that I will abandon my YouTube channel. There's still so many things for me to share on beauty, on fashion, and on my life experiences. And I'm only hoping that 2020 will allow me more time to do that. Okay, just a quick update before I go in case I'm not able to film again. Let's run down the highlights of my year since I already ran down the highlights of my makeup products of the year. Highlights of my year, winning YouTube Next Up 2019. Oh my goodness, out of 418, only 12 of us made it, and it was my second try. So love us better, love us sweeter the second time around. Another highlight, after 5 years, my family and I were finally complete together in Australia during my trip. I was able to see my younger sister in Australia, my youngest sister from the States, my older sister from the Netherlands, my niece, my nephew. Everyone was complete. It was one of the happiest days of my life. Let's talk about the in-between, the highlights and the lowlight at the same time. I opened the franchise called Lugaw, Pilipinas in Pasig. So if you're still doing outreach programs, Christmas parties, crew meals, Please support. I will link the details down below. It's a highlight because it's like a milestone. It's a giant leap for me to finally open a business or to franchise a business. It's a low light because, oh my goodness, all the struggles that come along with opening a business. Handling employees, draining savings. I know that any good thing comes with struggle. So it is still in the middle. Right now, it's a highlight and a low light of my year. Another low light is the fact that the past 2 or 3 months, I haven't been able to upload a video on YouTube. So hopefully to solve that issue, I can make more impromptu, quick videos like these that you might also want to watch. Instead of the fully produced, styling for 10 hours, editing for 18 hours kind of videos that are the hauls and the shopping and the clothing related fashion styles of video. I miss you, my bombshells. I'm gonna go and get dressed for now. The face is dressed, but the body isn't. So I'm gonna go for now. Love you and I miss you. Because I'm from sometimes drunk blush. This is the most perfect contour shade in my opinion, as well as the the one that I'm currently roving right now. And here is the last step that benefit. Sometimes I like to use